So let's say that you've decided to post information about your class online, and you've looked into it and you've decided that you're going to use Google's Blogger tool to do so. If you navigate to blogger.com, on the left-hand side, you'll either have no blogs showing if you don't have any already, or you'll have the opportunity to create a new blog. I've already got this one started, so I'll click this one, and I'll go to Settings. Right? When you create a new blog, the first thing you'll do is give it a title. After that, you can control the settings either immediately or going back into the blog, going to the Settings menu on the left, and editing things there. So you can change the title of your blog, give it a description, change the blog language, and there are a bunch of other details here. Adult content, or is it appropriate for kids to read your blog? I'm assuming that teachers here, their blogs would be child appropriate, so there's no need to offer a warning or age confirmation. You can set privacy. Do you want it to be visible to search engines? If you're just going to give a link to the blog to the parents of the students in your class, you probably don't want it to be visible to search engines. If it's not visible to search engines, it'll still be there, but people won't find it when they search for different things. You can control the blog address. Sometimes you'll put in an address and it won't be available, so try, if that happens, just come up with another blog address that is pretty close to what you wanted and would still be memorable. You can give permissions to different authors. Say you're co-teaching with another teacher, they can also have access to this blog as an author if you want them to. They can create posts. How many posts do you want? There's a ton of different settings here governing how the blog will operate, what the comments will be, and things like that.